And what's the area of this? 2 times negative 4 is,
Negative 8
what's
divided
half of negative 8?
negative
I'm
4.
going to put a negative on it. Now what's that all that to be?
36 minus 4, 32.
Is that 32?
Yep.
So when I'm getting 32, I want to make sure everyone sees y, because it was the 6 plus the 24 plus the 6, and then we'd had to subtract out the what?
Negative 4.
4. And for the last problem today, everyone, I want us to find the total distance. So think about me when I was traveling here. That would be like adding this to what? This. So if you want to find the total distance, this is what you find mathematically. You got to find the integral to what? The absolute value function. Now what's the absolute value of a function do? You all know. What would it look like? Total distance would be take the 6 plus the 24 plus the 6, but help me out. You wouldn't keep this negative. What would you do?
Positive.
You would add the 4. Because you're saying, what's the total distance? You would add what's underneath this because that function we get like that. Does that make sense?
Uh-huh.
So for total distance, we add any area that's underneath. So what would be total distance?
40.
That would be 40. That would be the total distance. So what was the total distance that ant traveled? Hang on, let me move these chairs out of the way. Ready? What did that ant do? That ant went to the what? During the first 8 seconds, it went like this. When did the ant turn around? At t equal to what? At t equal to 8, the ant turned around, then he went which way? It went back a little bit, right? But if you had to take this distance, add that distance, we just add that last what? 4. Does that make sense? But displacement is integral. When you put absolute values on the function,
It becomes distance.
it gives you the total distance. Sound cool? Everyone have a great one.